What if I told you that in just a few simple steps, you could secure a piece of one of the most anticipated airdrops on Solana? Yeah, I'm talking about NodePay's first ever airdrop. It's coming, and if you play your cards right, you'll be walking away with rewards that could be game-changing. Now, before you start screaming, how do I get in on this? Let's get into the juicy details. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss gems like this. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around. The NodePay team just dropped a bombshell. The official guide to the token generation event, TG, and, more importantly, how you and I can secure the first ever NodePay airdrop. This comes hot on the heels of the Season 1 airdrop allocations, so if you missed out on that, don't worry. This is your shot. The whole idea here is simple. Reward the people who've been rolling up their sleeves and contributing to the NodePay ecosystem. But here's the catch. You've got to follow their checklist to the letter. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Step 1. Connect your Solana wallet. First things first, link your Solana wallet to your NodePay dashboard. If you haven't done this yet, why are you even here? Just kidding, there's still time. They've extended the connection period a bit, but don't sleep on this. Let me spell it out. No wallet, no airdrop. And if you're new to this, get yourself a Solana wallet. Phantom and Solflare are solid picks. Keep it secure because once you're in, you're in. Step 2. Earn your proof of humanity medal. This one's a biggie. NodePay isn't playing with bots and fake accounts, so you'll need to prove you're a real human. It's like CAPTCHA, but cooler. Complete the tasks on their dashboard. Think of it as a human test, but instead of getting nothing, you're lining yourself up for free tokens. And if you're one of those people thinking, what if I just game the system? Don't bother. NodePay's smarter than that. Step 3. Rack up points in Season 0, Season 1, or both. Here's where the fun begins. Your points from Season 0 and Season 1 determine the size of your airdrop bag. Check your dashboard under the Earnings tab to see how much damage you've done so far. No points? Don't panic. You might still be able to pick some up before the airdrop window closes. Every little bit counts here, so make it happen. Step 4. Have some Solana ready for gas fees. Look, Solana's gas fees are ridiculously low, but you still need a tiny bit of Solana in your wallet to confirm the airdrop transaction. If your wallet is bone dry, transfer some over, like even 10 cents worth is enough. Trust me, nothing's worse than getting to the finish line and realizing you can't cross it because of a missing drop of Solana. Step 5. Stay safe out there. This is your reminder to keep your crypto life drama-free. NodePay will never DM you, ask for private keys, or hit you up for sensitive info. If anyone's sliding into your DMs claiming they're from NodePay, block them and keep it moving. Stick to official NodePay channels for updates, and if something feels off, trust your gut. Scammers are everywhere in this space, but you're smarter than that. Why does this matter? NodePay's building something legit, and this airdrop is a way to reward the people who are actually contributing. It's not about throwing tokens at random wallets. It's about strengthening the network with real, active users. What's next? Okay, real talk. Have you checked how many points you've got yet? Because I did, and let's just say I'm feeling pretty good about my haul. Post your score in the comments, and let's see who's really been putting in work. But don't just stop there. Share this video with your crew so they can get in on this too. If your friends are missing out, you're basically failing them. This is one of those rare moments in crypto where you can literally set yourself up for success just by following some simple steps. So don't overthink it. Get your wallet ready, earn those points, and secure your spot in NodePay history. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We got plenty more alpha coming your way, so don't miss out. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.